Hello my friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this little fountain and feeder for your cat or for your dog, your pets. Has a user's manual here. So this fountain can be either a dual fountain, or it can be just one side have your water fountain there and the other side have a food bowl for your animals. That's pretty handy. Trying to open this bag and it's just not letting me. I will be setting this up and demonstrating. Here's a little faucet there, and here we have a USB. It's wrapped up real good. A USB plug-in. Okay, let's check it out here. Should have the cats try this out, see if they like it. So what's nice about this? Oops, what did I lose? This is a nice stainless steel, so easy to clean, obviously. And has another little fountain right here, so this can go right there, and that's just going to pour the water here. So if you want to put food in one side, then you can just stop this up and stop up this side, and the water's only going to come from this side. So that's kind of nice. And it looks like this holds quite a bit of water. It also has a little filter here, so your water is going to run down here, go into the filter, so filter that out. So I think it has a couple little charcoal filters in there too. And that's going to, you know, if there's like cat hair or whatever in the water, it's going to purify that so their cats aren't drinking that. So that's kind of cool. Here's the little motor. This just sticks onto the bottom of the device here. But yeah, it looks like that's almost like a gallon. I'm not sure exactly. So it's 3 liters, so I believe is that more than a gallon? Real close to a gallon. Anyways, that's a lot of water. So if you go out of town or something, it's nice to be secure in your mind that, hey, my pet's got fresh water and everything like that. So also has this nice little indicator. This is on a float here, so this is going to be able to go up and down. It's going to tell you how much water you have in there, so you don't have to pull that out. So this just attaches right here. Your cord's going to go up through here. And this, your motor has some suctions on the bottom and a little filter in there as well. You don't want to plug this in unless you have water. So just that fits right on there like that. And then this portion fits right down here. Okay, stick that on there like that. And that's good to go. All right, so I'm just gonna rinse this off a little bit and let the cats try it out, and we'll see if they approve it or not. Okay, my friends, well, here we have our famous cat, Boogie. And I'm just gonna put this right here. Boogie. Time to eat, buddy. All right. Hungry? Let's see, looks kind of tired. Boogie, come on. Hey buddy, come on. Food and water. He smells it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Boogie. Hey buddy, come on. Oh, food. Come on. Come on. Food, come on. Look, water. Boogie, come on. All right. I'll drag him over here on his little pillow. Come on, buddy. There we go. Some food and water. You must be thirsty. It's okay, buddy. Okay, so he's had these before, and he's just kind of curious. Definitely, he's not scared of the water. It looks like he's enjoying the food. And like I said, there's plenty of water here, and it's not going to get in your cat food either, so it's not going to mix up all that and be all disgusting. So it's at a good height where he doesn't have to bend down super low, even though he dropped it on the ground to get it. So I'm just going to see if he wants to drink some water here or not. But right now he's kind of interested in the food. But as you can see, Plenty of food can be held right there in the side, and then the water is flowing nicely. One of our other cats is super skittish, kind of scared of noises, but still we've had a cat fountain like this before and they weren't afraid of it. So let's see if he's going to enjoy some water here in a little bit. Well, my friends, he was hungry but apparently not thirsty, so now he's taking a bath. I think he would rather enjoy this though, and I like how versatile it is as far as holding a lot of water. It has little pads on the bottom as well, so it doesn't move around. If you have a dog that's kind of aggressive, it's going to stay in place pretty well. And you can switch it to just, you can stick another fountain in the other side if you want to, and just have strictly water, or you could just go strictly food if you wanted to, but it'd be better as a fountain. Anyways, my friends, definitely cat approved. I think you can see that Boogie is enjoying it. So, okay, looks like he's decided to drink some water, and he likes it. So definitely pet approved, my friends. It's a good water, Boogie. What a good kitty he is. So definitely cat approved, my friends. He's got the Boogie, or the Booger seal of approval. Likes the food out of there and the water. Oh, he's spilling a little bit, but plenty of water in there too. I like that, and he's definitely happy. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful for you. Have a great day, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye, Boogie.